As all of you know, Honorable President arrived in Botswana on the evening of 11th November on her first ever state visit by a head of state from India to Botswana. On arrival, in a special gesture, Honorable President was warmly received by the Honorable President of Botswana at the airport. Honorable President was given a ceremonial welcome and she inspected the Guard of Honor. Yesterday, Honorable President was received at the President's office by Honorable President Buko. The two leaders had a tete-a-tete, which was followed by delegation-level talks between the two sides. From the Botswana side, several cabinet ministers and senior officials were present at the talks. From the Indian delegation side, Minister of State for Railways and Jal Shakti, Shri V. Somanna, and two Member of Parliament, Mr. Vasawa and Srimati D.K. Arunaji, and senior officials participated at the talks. During the wide-ranging discussions, both the leaders reviewed the existing ongoing bilateral cooperation across sectors between our two countries. They discussed ways to further strengthen and deepen our partnership in sectors of mutual interest, such as trade and investments, capacity building and development partnership, skill development, agriculture, health, infrastructure development, renewable energy, defense, and also digital technology in the entire digital space. Both the leaders also exchanged views on regional and global matters of mutual importance. The Botswana leadership mentioned to Honorable President about their economic transformation program, as also their Vision 2036, which essentially outlined their efforts to diversify economy and to become a high-income country by 2036. In this context, the visit provided an excellent opportunity to appreciate their economic and development priorities and to discuss how both governments can work together and also how the private sector in both our countries can work together to deepen our cooperation across sectors, particularly in areas which are of priority to Government of Botswana.